project is based on oak, so I use inheritance in this project. Like this phi class is the super class, and there are 4 classes which are inherited from this phi class. BS, this is drive class. Field, this is separate class. District, this is separate class. There are many methods in this district class. And category A, category B, category C class which are inherited from this phi class. If you are university student, so you know university distributes seats in 3 fields like category A, category B, category C. So I make 3 classes. And the next class is intro, and this class also calculates the student CPN. Okay, so here my main function is to start. Here I make password. And I use graphics in my project. First make a circle, and by using for loop the circle is moved in horizontal x-axis, and by using do while loop so the project will run infinite times. I use class colors in this project. By making object of classes, student can select their district field. And I also use filing in my project. So there are 3 files in my project. First one is BS, as you see, and the second one is DE, and the third one is form BE and BS. Here while loop, if user press E, capital E or E, so loop will break and project will stop. Thank you for visiting our video. Now I am going to run my project. First I will give password. Okay, so this is the use of graphics. As I said that I make circle, and by using for loop I move circle horizontal x-axis. So one message will print, welcome to MUET. Okay, so you see there are many fields, and you can see civil has 2 fields. So civil has 2 fields. So here form number 1, enter your seat number, 20, name, I'm going to give my name, father name, district, entry test score, what's your percentage in intermediate, what's your percentage in matriculation, Okay, so my CPN has been calculated, you can see. So the next option is, what do you want to do, BE or BS? So I press BE. Okay. So, and which category field do you want to see? I want to see category A field, so I press A. So here you can see civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics. These are category A fields. So I want to know about one, civil engineering. Okay. So this get me information about civil engineering, the scope of this engineering. Okay, select your district. And select one, Hyderabad district. Select your field. I am writing here civil. Okay, student data is saved in file, and you can see before civil has 2 seats, now civil has only 1 seat because student has got the seat, so only 1 seat is remaining. So okay, your form is ready. Now you can get your admission form. Okay, for next student I am going to press E again, and the color change also. Okay, now you can see software is 8 field. Welcome to MUET field. Roll number, enter your seat number, name, Ali. Okay, so now what's the district? Sahibal. What's your entry test score? Okay, so CPN calculate and B or BS. Now I press BS. So Bachelor of Science, BS English, BS Computer Science, BS Mathematics. So I am going to press 1, BS English. Okay, so you can see BS English is a specialized 4-year program tailored to implement HEC program. So you can see now the other option is select your district. 3. Okay. So, as you see, BS English is 5 seats, Computer System has 3, and BS Mathematics has 4. So I want to select BS English, so I am writing here BS English. Now you can see before BS English has 5 fields, now only 4 seats remaining because student can get the 1 field. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the filing system. Thank you for visiting our website. Okay, so I'm going to show you my filing system. First is form BE or BS. As you see, this is one student form. This is name Kashyap Abdullah, Hyderabad, seat number 20. Congratulations, you have been properly selected for admission B in first year class. Signature, discipline awarded. Okay, now I'm going to show you B file. Okay, you can see this is record Kashyap 79.6. Selected seat civil, and the other file is Ali. CPN is 75.5, seat number 30, and BS English. So this is my project, and I also made project PPT. So this is my project PPT, online admission form. Step 1, first it will ask password from the user, because if user has given entry test, so he or she has password for get his admission form. So you can see. Step 2, graphics is used in this step. Step 3, filing, category A, category B, category C. 5th, data is saved in file. Now your form is ready, you can get your form. So filing BS and BE. Form BE, step 6, there are 3 filings. Okay, so this is my open day project. Hope you like it.